Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose. The moose is loose. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. It's really going to help us out here on the channel. So if you want to see more videos on crypto and NFTs, please do that. And yeah, love to see you all here. What we're going to do is talk about how to set up a GeroWallet. I'm going to call it GeroWallet. I think it's Gero. Comment down below if I'm butchering it. I'm usually pretty bad with names, but I am good with faces, right? So what you're going to do first is you could either, well, you can Google it if you want, but it's going to be GeroWallet.io, okay? So if you go to Google, you're going to type in GeroWallet. That's what I did, okay? And it's going to look like this. So why would you even want a GeroWallet? Well, it's going to be a wallet that allows you to not just hold Cardano assets, but you can do a little bit more than that because they have Chrome extension tools. And specifically what we're going to do is we're going to add the browser extension. So similar to Nami, which I've already done videos on, check out the video on how to set up a Nami wallet. It's going to be very similar, okay? So before we even get started, like always, pen and paper, okay? Pen and paper, and what you're going to do at the top of the paper, you're going to write GeroWallet. Okay? Boom. GeroWallet. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So let's cut over, and what we're going to do is download the wallet. Okay? So you also have get Gero here. So these are going to be their tokens. These are tokens that that they have for their own app and for their own usability. We're not going to get into that. But again, security, accessibility. It seems to be a good wallet. Personally, I haven't really used it other than the desktop wallet. So this will be my first time doing the Chrome extension tool. So you're going to hit download. All right. And then we're going to add to Chrome. But the purpose of this video is to show you how to safely do this, right? So just like our other wallets, I already have these added. Okay, what we're going to do is find the GeroWallet. We're going to click it, okay? And then for us, we're going to hit English. If you're speaking Spanish or, if you're Greek, if you're, if you're out in Russia, you might want to click on Russia there. So we're going to click on the next button. And there's a couple things you could do here, which is pretty sweet. And that's kind of why we want to talk about this video, in this video. What do you do at these stages? Some of you, this may be confusing. Okay, but at the end of the day, start out with the piece of paper, and we're going to create a new wallet, okay? So what you can do is you can import an account. So if you have it should be a 15-word seed phrase, 12-word, 24-word, you can just add your GeroWallet here. So let's say that you created a GeroWallet in the past. What you can do is go to this screen, you can add the Chrome extension tool, put in your private keys, your seed phrase, right? So if you ever lose access to your wallet, this is how you would recover it. Hopefully that makes sense. But we're going to create a new one. And then, of course, you could also just connect a hardware wallet. So if you have a Trezor, a Ledger, I believe it'll support those. So there you go. This is looking pretty sweet. So we're going to go to create a GeroWallet, okay? So we're going to click here, and we're going to put in a password. So I'm going to use one here. I'm going to use a password that I'm familiar with. There we go. There we go. I have read the terms of use. We all know I read that, right? Blah, 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 blah. Set up password. So here we go. Now, what I'm going to do is set up this wallet, but I'm going to delete it. So for those of you that are watching this, when you set up your crypto wallet, okay, you're going to get this secret backup phrase, your seed phrase. You do not share it with anybody. I'm just doing this as a tutorial, okay? I'm showing you how to set up a GeroWallet, okay, the Chrome extension. So I just want to mention that, okay? Just for all of you to know. So we are going to unlock, all right, and we are going to print these words out. I'll zoom in here. All right, so number 1, okay, I'm going to write in this case elder. And again, do not do what I'm doing when you're setting yours up in the sense of showing other people. I will not be using this wallet. None of you use these words. All right? I'm not going to say it again. Do not use these words. Okay. 3. So you're going to write 3, basic. 4 is vicious. Like me. I'm very vicious when I'm angry. 5 is curious. Okay? And then you're going to write 6, shiver. And make sure that you write these in chronological order. Make sure that you start with 1, 2, 3, and you write the right word for each number. Okay? The right letters, write it all in the right order. And you do not want to print these out. Okay? Do not print these out. Do not take a screenshot and keep it online because these are sacred. That's the form of security. That's why I'm doing this video, right? The only thing is I'm showing you the words. You do not want to share these words with anybody. Okay, so we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it is a 15 because it's Cardano. They use 15. So switch. Okay, and it is a little boring. North. Road. And I'm always getting text messages from Bill Gates. I don't know why he's texting me. Keeps asking me, how do I set up a GeroWallet? So I'm making the video. Like, Bill, aren't you smarter than me? There we go. So write down these words. I did that. Okay? Do not use these words. We are not going to be using these wallets. Okay? We're not using this wallet. Okay, I'm going to make another one later on. But I'm not using this wallet. Nobody used this particular wallet. I'm just showing you. Okay? So, I understand if I lose my secret backup phrase, I will not be able to access funds. So, again, this is a Chrome extension tool. This is going to be known as a hot wallet. So, you have self-custody over your funds, your private keys, your backup, but that also means that you have to have more responsibility, right? I am getting a lot of messages. So when you set up a wallet that you have custody over, that means that you have responsibility to back this up properly. Okay, and we have videos talking about that here in the channel. So we're going to click I understand, continue, boom. So now we're going to put these words in order. Now this is going to work because we wrote down our words. And you want to write them down properly anyways for future use. So word 1, okay, that is going to be elder because it's on my piece of paper under word 1. So elder. 2 is swing. 3 is basic. 4 is vicious. Like me, vicious. 5 is curious. I'm also curious. 6, shiver. It's like a game. 7, talent. 8, margin. 7 talent, 8 margin. About. Loop. Where's loop? Switch north, road. Sheen good? Switch north. So we'll go switch north. Scheme. Good. Ah, I messed it up already. Yeah, it's good. Sorry. It's north road. So I already messed up, right? So what you can do is go back like this. So it's north. Okay, so I'm trying to do too many things at once. North road. Scheme. Good. Okay? So that's how you do that. You guys got that? Then we're going to continue. Then we're going to put our wallet name. This is important. Here we're going to write Crypto Moose Test. All right? Actually, here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. I have something we're going to do. I'm going to load up a little bit of ADA, maybe an NFT. So the first one to recover this wallet, you get access to the funds. But again, do not reuse this wallet, okay? Use it get access to the wallet, and send the funds away to a different wallet, okay? That's what we're going to do, just to make this fun. We'll make it orange. Continue. And boom! We're done. Crypto Moose getting loose. There we go. So now we have our wallet. And I'm going to send some ADA to this wallet because I can. Not a lot. All right. So this is looking pretty sweet. So you can see our account here. Okay. Crypto Moose test. So the first one to recover this wallet, you're gonna be able to steal these assets. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna send a little bit of ADA to this wallet. Okay. So let me go to my Yoroi. I should have some ADA here. So in order to send, stake, so we should be able to see a receive. This should be our receiving, I assume. Is this our receiving address? Let's see here. So again, you have wallet details. This is going to be our wallet address. Okay, so right now if we go to pool.pm and we put in the wallet, there's nothing found. There's nothing on here. That's because we have no funds on the wallet, okay? So you can set collateral, you have to do that. What we're gonna do is deposit some funds though here. So whoever wants is gonna be able to get access to this. So let me send some Cardano. I hope it won't take too long. Let me copy this. And what I'm gonna do is go to a different screen. And let's figure that out here. So I just want to kind of keep this pretty simple. So what I'll do is I will go back to the wallet. We'll go to Nami. So we're going to go to wallet details. We're going to copy this wallet address. Okay. So that will be, you know, on the home screen, this will be the wallet address right here. I assume that's the public key. It wouldn't be showing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into Nami. Okay, and then we will just send some ADA to that address. So hopefully this happens pretty swiftly. So we'll send 12 ADA. Nah, that's cheap. 15 ADA, okay? Because I'm generous. And we'll put congrats, love Moose. And I want you to comment if you were the one to pick this up. You will be the OG for the week. So again, first one to watch this video. We don't have a lot of subscribers, so what we're going to do now is wait. Once I see that the ADA hit the wallet, then I'm going to post the video whenever this video is out. Remember, I'm filming this ahead of time. Then if you recover this wallet, you get everything on it. Just remember to create a new wallet. Send it to your own wallet, and then you can delete it. Okay? So hopefully this doesn't take too long. But the first one to recover this wallet, you are going to get, you're going to be able to get whatever I put on here. I may add some more things on here. I'm not sure. It all depends on how long the blockchain is going to take. But all in all, I think it looks aesthetically pleasing. So this left the wallet, and here's the transaction ID. So it shouldn't take too long. Still pending. See what we got here. So anyways, hopefully the funds will hit the account. When they do, then the winner will be the winner. All right, so that's going to be the GeroWallet. Okay, not really anything else to talk about. So anyways, just want to remind you all, have a beautiful day. Not your keys, not your cheese.